Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to use Zelle to transfer money on TD Bank. So the first step is to simply open TD Bank on your phone, and then at the top you're gonna have the option to send money. Simply tap on that. Now the next step is to simply tap on transfer, and then you're gonna have to simply tap on send. And as you can see, by default TD Bank uses Zelle, so you're gonna have to simply tap on send, and then basically if you want, you can give the permissions to TD Bank to access your contacts, and basically you're gonna see all your contacts that uses Zelle. Or if you want, you can simply tap on skip for now, and then you're gonna have to simply add a new contact. So you're gonna have to add their credentials, and after you do that, you're gonna have the option to enter the amount. Then simply choose when you want to send the money. So as you can see, send today one time. So if you want, you can even send recurring payments, and then you're gonna have the option to choose from which of your accounts you want to send money. Then simply tap on review and then send, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.